A humble fridge magnet reveals its unlikely journey from iron filings to a household icon as steel meets imagination in a sunny kitchen. Ancient experiments with lodestones spark the idea that invisible forces can attract whole rooms of metal, but it takes modern visitors and clever advertising to turn that spark into a staple. In the mid-century, designers glued tiny magnets to colorful shapes, turning grocery lists into playful art and turning kitchens into mini galleries. Today, these magnets carry memories, recipes, and the stories of countless cupboards. And yes, a tiny sticker of a cat once sparked a global trend,